स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। ह्यः अस्माभिः नूतनपाठस्य आरम्भः कृतः अस्ति। अष्टमकक्षायाः नूतनपाठः डिजिभारतम् इति, अर्थात् एतत् अस्ति डिजिटल् इण्डिया इत्यस्य परिकल्पना। एतत् पूर्वम् अस्माभिः सम्पादितम्। अस्मिन् पाठे अस्माभिः पठितं सर्वम् इदानीं तन्त्रज्ञानसम्बद्धं वर्तते। सम्पूर्णं विश्वं तन्त्रज्ञानसम्बद्धं वर्तते। हरि ओं, भवान् वदतु, पूर्वम् अध्ययन अध्यापनं केन माध्यमेन प्रचलति स्म? सत्यं, पूर्वं तु अध्ययन अध्यापनं केवलं श्रवणमाध्यमेन प्रचलति स्म। तत्र केवलं मौखिकव्यवहारेण अध्ययनज्ञानस्य आदानं प्रदानं वा ज्ञानस्य सम्पादनं केवलं श्रवणमाध्यमेन मौखिकमाध्यमेन प्रचलति स्म। तदनन्तरं मनुष्येण लेखनस्य आविष्कारः कृतः। तदानीं मनुष्यः कुत्र लिखति स्म? सत्यं, मनुष्यः तालपत्रेषु लिखति स्म, एवं भूर्जपत्रेषु लिखति स्म। आदौ मनुष्यः यदा लेखनस्य अभ्यासः कृतः तदानीं मनुष्यः तालपत्रेषु एवं भूर्जपत्रेषु लिखति स्म। तदनन्तरं मनुष्येण लेखन्याः एवं कर्गदपत्रस्य च आविष्कारः कृतः। तदानीं मनुष्यस्य मनसि स्थिताः भावनाः अक्षररूपेण कर्गदेषु सुस्पष्टं लिखिताः। ततः परं टङ्कणयन्त्रस्य आविष्कारः कृतः अस्ति। टङ्कणयन्त्रस्य आविष्करणेन अक्षराणि सुन्दराणि जातानि। सर्वम् अपि मूलप्रत्ययः सुरक्षितरूपेण बहुकालं स्थापिताः खलु। अनन्तरं मनुष्येण टङ्कणयन्त्रात् अपि अग्रे विज्ञानं गत्वा वैज्ञानिकी आविष्कृतिः कृता वर्तते। कस्य? सङ्गणकयन्त्रस्य। कस्य आविष्कारः कृतः अस्ति? सङ्गणकयन्त्रस्य आविष्कारः कृतः अस्ति। सङ्गणकयन्त्रस्य साधनानि आगच्छन्ति। इदानीं प्रायः सर्वाणि कार्याणि सङ्गणकयन्त्र आधारितानि सन्ति। एतस्य बहुमूल्यम् उपयोगं नाम अत्र वृक्षकर्तनं न भवति। यदा पत्राणाम् उपयोगः क्रियते स्म लेखनार्थं, बहुवृक्षकर्तनम् आसीत्। एवं अद्य वृक्षाणां कर्तनं पत्रनिमित्तं न्यूनम् अभवत्। एतत् अस्ति पर्यावरणसुरक्षायाः दिशि महान् उपकारः भविष्यति इति चिन्त्यते। My dear students, in the previous class we have come to know how the people were learning in the previous. That means once upon a time when the civilization has taken place, then people in the ancient period, people were learning only by oral method. One has to tell, other has to listen. Then later man started writing on the palm leaves and burja leaves. Later man has invented paper and the pen. When pen and paper were invented, more of writing skills are improved, because they were writing whatever, all the feelings were written on the paper. Later in this field, the typewriters have come. The typewriters have played a significant role. All the documents were typed neatly, because now the documents have become very legible, and these documents are protected for the long time. Later, when man invented the computer, computers, so now almost all the work is done in computer. Even if you want to read, you can read in computer. If you want to write, you can write in the computer. The very much positiveness about the computer is that during the pen and paper time, we used to cut so many trees to make the papers. Now, because of the invention of this computer, cutting of trees will come down and it will help to protect our environment. This is the very good advantage of the computers. We will read further today. अद्याग्रे पठामः. पश्यन्तु, एषः अस्ति नूतन पुस्तकविशेषः अस्ति अत्र, तस्मात् भवन्तः अत्र द्रष्टुं शक्नुवन्ति. अधुना आपणे वस्तुक्रयार्थं रूप्यकाणाम् अनिवार्यता नास्ति. डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड इत्यादयः सर्वत्र रूप्यकाणां स्थानं गृहीतवन्तः. वित्तकोशस्य बैंक इत्यस्य चापि सर्वाणि कार्याणि संगणकयन्त्रेण सम्पाद्यन्ते. बहुविधाः अनुप्रयोगाः मुद्राहीनाय विनिमयाय सहायकाः सन्ति. अधुना आपणे, आपणम इन द शॉप, वस्तु क्रयार्थम टू परचेज द थिंग्स रूप्यकाणाम अनिवार्यता नास्ति. अर्लियर टू गो टू बाय समथिंग you have to know the value first, then you have to keep the money. Or if you are going for a big purchases, security was needed because everything was in the briefcase or in the bags, is it? Now the money is not heavy at all, because to purchase everything you don't need money now. What is there? Adhuna apane vastu krayartham. If you want to purchase anything in the shop, rupyakanam anivaryata nasti. There is no necessary of money. Debit card, credit card ityadayah sarvatra rupyakanam sthanam gruhitavantaha. These debit cards and credit cards have taken place of the money. Sarvatra, everywhere. They have taken the place of money everywhere. Debit card, you know what is the debit card? Being a modern student, you must know what is debit card. Debit card is the card which is given by the banks to use your money which is there in your own account. Whatever the money is there in your account, that money only will come in the debit card. Whereas the credit card, even though if you don't have the money, the bank will give you as a loan. The limit will be set. That means 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, like that. It all depends upon the limits. The credit card will be given. With the help of that credit card, you can purchase anything. So according to the bank conditions, the interest rate will be very different from credit card. Understood? रूप्यकाणां गृहीतवन्तः. वित्तकोशस्य, वित्तकोशः बैंक चापि सर्वाणि कार्याणि संगणकयन्त्रेण सम्पाद्यन्ते. Today we do all the work of the banking in the computers. बहुविधाः अनुप्रयोगाः मुद्राहीनाय विनिमयाय सहायकाः सन्ति. There are many apps which helps you to purchase without the cash. Many apps you might have seen: Flipkart, Amazon, this Snapdeal, many. These are the apps which always help you. Free charge, so many are there, no? Everybody has got app for the digital transaction. So it is a called digital transaction, paperless transaction, moneyless transaction. That means money in the form of cash. You no need of paying any cash. कुत्रापि यात्रा करणीया भवेत् रेल्यान यात्रापत्रस्य वायुयान यात्रापत्रस्य अनिवार्यता अद्य नास्ति. सर्वाणि पत्राणि अस्माकं चलदूरभाषायन्त्रे ईमेल् इति स्थाने सुरक्षितानि भवन्ति. यानि सन्दर्श्य वयं सौकर्येण यात्रायाः आनन्दं गृह्णीमः. चिकित्सालयेपि उपचारार्थं रूप्यकाणाम् आवश्यकताद्य नानुभूयते. सर्वत्र कार्ड् माध्यमेन ई ब्ಯಾಂಕ್ माध्यमेन शुल्कं प्रदातुं शक्यते. What are all the advantages now we are getting modern days? यत् कुत्रापि यात्रा करणीया भवेत्. You want to travel somewhere. कुत्रापि यात्रा करणीया भवेत्. कुत्रापि गमनम् आगमनं गमनागमनं करणीयं चेत् रेल यात्रापत्रस्य यात्रापत्रं मीन्स् टिकेट्. If you want to purchase the railway ticket, एवं वायुयाना यात्रापत्रस्य you want to purchase the air ticket, अनिवार्यता अद्य नास्ति. No need. Earlier purchasing the ticket was very difficult. After purchasing you have to look after it very carefully. You have to keep those tickets, is it? Our elders have faced all these problems. Keeping the ticket, they used to book in 3 months advance and they have to protect that throughout the 3 months, and again while going they have to carry. Nowadays that problem is not there. Whether it is a railway ticket or air ticket, where it will be? Sarvani patrani asmakam chaladurabhashayantre. It will be there in our mobile. चलदूरभाषायन्त्रे ईमेल इति स्थाने सुरक्षितानि भवन्ति. All our tickets are very safe in our emails. Even you can take the screenshot and you can keep, is it? यानि सन्दर्श्य वयं सौकर्येण यात्रायाः आनन्दं गृह्णीमः. Even the TT will come, you will show. Even the message if you show, that is enough. Even in the many buses nowadays, anywhere you are traveling, you can show the digital tickets. Chikitsalayepi, not only in the travel, if you are going in the hospital, even for the treatment, chikitsalayepi upacharartham, for the treatment, rupyakanam avashyakatadya nanubhuyate. You don't feel that you must have the cash even in the hospitals. Sarvatra card madhyamena e bank madhyamena shulkam pradatum shakyate. Everywhere you can pay with your card or with the e-banking, internet banking. You can do, you can pay everything. शक्यते इति अस्ति. एतत् श्वः पठामः. अत्र पश्यन्तु, अत्र अस्ति चलदूरभाषा. एषा अस्ति चलदूरभाषायाम् एव ईमेल् इत्यादिकं सर्वम् आगच्छति. अत्र भवन्तः पश्यन्तु. ज्ञानस्य यो प्रविधिः सः अद्य ज्ञातुं शक्यते. अग्रिमकक्षायाम् अनन्तरपाठं पठिष्यामः. भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनं. धन्यवादाः.